Hello guys, and welcome to Till Vacuum Do Us Part. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Ashley and I'm really excited you're here today. So today I'm just gonna be filming like a messy house clean with me. It's definitely my messy, not your messy, but we just got back from running errands and there's just a few spaces that have gotten out of control that I need to tidy up. So I'm gonna show you those spaces and then we're gonna get straight into cleaning. Okay, so the first space I'm gonna work on is my kitchen. My island always gets stuff out on it. I had some deliveries, so I definitely want to clean all of this up and then disinfect all my countertops. Plus, we had breakfast over here. There's crumbs and this wall's dusty, so I'm gonna go ahead and work on this whole space and then we'll move on to the next one. Okay, so I got the dishwasher unloaded. I need to go ahead and load it because there's quite a few dishes in the sink. These are pellets for our Traeger. We actually bought a storage container for them, so I'm gonna put those in it. And then I had a few people comment on my home tour, or like my kitchen home tour, that I didn't show this drawer, this cabinet. So this is just where I keep all my pots and pans. The builder was awesome and put in drawers, so it's very helpful. So that's how I have it. It's nothing special, but the pans fit perfectly. So that's what it looks like. Okay, so I got the whole dining area clean. I sprayed my Jaws disinfectant over here. You're supposed to let it sit for about 10 minutes. It's been a little bit off camera. So now that that's set and actually killed all of those germs and bacteria, I'm gonna go ahead and take my rag and wipe it all down.
best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. How it's gonna stay in the fight with you. Just thinking we would.
Okay, just a little cleaning tip or hack. When you're using disinfectants, turn around and read the label because every product is so different. Some you don't have to set long, some they want it to set 3 minutes, some they want you to set 10 minutes before you wipe it off. So if you're wanting to disinfect, definitely make sure you're following the instructions so you're actually doing what you think you're doing. Now we're gonna move on to my beauty room. I received a package today from ThredUp. I love them. I'll actually be sharing most of this coming up, but I'm gonna go ahead and put all of this in the washer. I like to do that as soon as it comes in and just get this room cleaned up.
Hello, how'd you do? I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. Hope you're fine, ain't got time to do everything you said you would. Frames of the past and the memory of you just come running by. Pictures of sunny days with your smile in the bar. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. Try to be cool, even wear that shirt you wanted to. My friends think I'm lame. Since I met you, I am not the same. It was not meant to be a fairy tale with a happy end. Girl, you take care now. I hope we can be friends. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them.
So here's a little jewelry hack. I keep all my necklaces inside my closet so you don't see them, but I keep them just hung on like clear push pins. You can see them right here. I have different labels, even my belts. But that way they don't get tangled, and when I want to wear them, I'm not trying to like untangle 20 necklaces. So you can either display this out in a room, or you can just tuck them inside a closet, but that's where I keep all my necklaces.
Come undone. Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. Oh, how'd you do? I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. Hope you're fine, ain't got time. I'm not broken, not broken, not broken. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. Like them. Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. for traffic lights. And I really wanna know.
Okay, so I just remembered I never put these in the container. Plus we have a new bag, but I'll let Chase do that later. But I'm gonna go ahead and combine these so I can move it out of here, and then I'll just throw these in the dishwasher. But this has been cleaned and disinfected, just in case you're wondering.
Won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
Okay, so now I'm gonna move on to this side of the house. I need to make Savannah's bed. I'll let her put away her laundry when she gets home, but I'm gonna vacuum in there because it's been a little while. Chase's office looks pretty good. I'm just gonna fluff up his pillows, push in the chair, and vacuum. So I'm gonna get this side finished so I can enjoy the nice clean house.
I'm looking outside my window. I try to see where my luck goes. I just don't know how it slips out. There must be some kind of plan. Every person could be you though. A pretty guy with a halo. But who am I kidding, please now? I gotta realize that you what we could do around the world, say to Peru. We lie in bed till it's PM, eating breakfast when it's dark again. Let us be partners in crime, you and me as body and pride. We'll dance along in the afterglow. With me a song on the radio.
Okay guys, I love how easy it is to make this room look clean. This is still one of my favorite spaces. But when I was vacuuming this rug, I didn't realize how much like dirt and grass was on it. Chase mowed here and it's been really wet, so I think the boys are dragging it in. It's all over my wood floors, but I didn't realize how well this white rug was like hiding it. So you guys always say you want white rugs, but you have like kids and pets. I highly suggest this one. It looks clean all the time and it vacuums up really well, but it hides so much dirt, I guess because of the busy design. It's from Boutique Rugs and I always have a coupon code, so just check it out in the description box, but I'm super impressed with this rug. Okay guys, so I think we finished cleaning everything that I wanted to get done today. It wasn't like a deep clean, but it was just messy. I wanted to get everything tidied up and cleaned away. So I hope you guys enjoyed this cleaning motivation. I'm gonna take you through my house real fast and show you every space so you can see that I'm not hiding any secrets. So let's do like a mini home tour just real quickly. Okay, so there's Chase's office again. Savannah's room is nice and clean and tidy. I didn't show you our guest bathroom because I didn't have to clean it today, but it's all clean. The living room is vacuumed. That's pretty much all I needed to do in that space. My kitchen is clean. My countertops are disinfected. My dining room table's clean. The wall's clean. So this whole area is good. Let me take you on over here. Our master bedroom's clean. I put away all the items that were out in here. And then onto this side of the house. The laundry's still going, so I'll have to work on that for a couple more hours, but what's new? And then here is my beauty room, and it's all nice and clean, so we got everything done. Thank you guys so much for making it to the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed this messy clean with me, and I hope it gave you some cleaning motivation to go tackle those spaces you're needing to get done today. I promise you, you will sleep better tonight. Go clean them, get it done, kick your feet up and watch a show and just enjoy your evening. I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and if you're new here, please hit that red button and subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!